Guys, in this 2026, many people are using AI. One simple prompt, just one simple prompt, extra prompt can improve your rankings, your site rankings on Google or AI overview, which is, I'm just gonna try it here, this. Okay, so this prompt, take a look at it, pause the video and take a screenshot. I highly recommend you use this prompt whenever you're using generic bots like ChatGPT or Claude or Grok, whatever it is, DeepSeek, to prompt this as an extra, and it will make your content so much so better. And I mean, this is not 100% humanized, but it will reduce the AI influence by writing this. So keep this in mind, take this, copy this, and put it as one extra prompt, giving away for free. If you want me to automate your SEO blogs, book a call with me. There will be a link in the description. If you want to check out a new SEO writer, click on it. It is free. You can check it out, or you can schedule a call with me to automate your blogs.